Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little bit of a different kind of video. We are gonna be doing an interior design vibe yet again. I'm obsessed, I know. So I really have been wanting to style a bar cart in my studio, and I'm so obsessed with tea, so I wanted it to have tea for sure. I am a green tea addict, like everyone basically already knows this about me, but if you don't know, now you know. And sometimes when I wake up, I brush my teeth, do my skincare, and I just head directly into my office without heading downstairs to get to the kitchen or anything. So I thought I need to be able to make tea in my office. Is it necessary? Not really, but did I need it? Yes. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Sorry, side note before I get into it, my skin looks really glowy because I'm using the Beauty Blender skin tint, and I think the glow is actually coming from the setting powder. It is really pretty. Okay, now let's get into it. Yeah. I started off my hunt in Bouclair, and I just love the idea of going in the store, getting some inspo. I ended up ordering my cart from Structube, and you will see it very soon. Okay guys, I just got a delivery at the door, and it was my fine china. I was teeter-tottering back and forth if I should even get that because it was just so expensive, and I said to myself, no, like I'll be able to keep it forever and keep adding on to my collection with my fine china, and I fell in love with this collection, okay? It's the Royal Albert with Miranda Kerr. She did such an amazing job, and even like the name, it's called like the Friendship Collection or something. I'll give you guys the details after, but let me show you. Here it is. And it is literally the most beautiful set I have ever seen. I have fallen completely in love. Just look at the detailing on these. They're just so delicate. And then, of course, on the inside, like they have these little embellishments. The attention to detail on each of these is just so crazy. I love them so much. So I cannot wait to style these. We are finally on the way to go pick up my bar cart, and I waited quite some time even though it said it was in stock, so I am really excited. It happened to be the one day where it said we're gonna have 20 centimeters of snow, which is good times, but we're going for it, and I will tune back in once we get home. Okay, so I just got home from picking up the cart, and look at what arrived in the mail just in time. My little really cute smeg. The size of it is perfect actually for the cart. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like styled, and I can't wait to use it. So I'm finally building my bar cart. We got it home, and the assembly is really easy. It has all the little mini tools that are perfect. So we're just going in. Look at my little fingers working away there. Okay, so here is my cart put in my studio, and I just have it here by the window in this corner. I think it looks really cute here. I can move it around, but I'm just gonna test it first to start in this area. No, we're not gonna do that. We're not doing that. Once we've styled it, we can. Look how cute these little bottles are. I wanted small bottles because full size kind of looked too large on the tray. So these are little and perfect. Obviously, as you guys know, this is not sponsored, but Casamigos, my favorite. Casamigos, please sponsor me, thanks. George Clooney, if you're watching right now. Not in that way, guys. He's married. Not in that way. I just meant to sponsor me, not in any other way, okay? Just making that clear. This was a gift from a friend, and it's so cute. Okay, guys, I think we are all finished. I'm just completely obsessed with the vibes. This little smeg is adorable, and my fine china, I'm so happy that I got it. I love it. Like the details of it are just so beautiful. And of course, me as a makeup fanatic, I had to put my most beautiful makeup on display. These are a ton of different limited edition MAC lipsticks that are so, like, just the packaging was too nice to keep hidden. And then, of course, these beauty blenders had to be put here because I love Beauty Blender. They just look completely adorable, like they're candy, and that's exactly what I wanted with the apothecary jars. And then in the lower level, we have our little drinking or alcoholic bev moment. And then we also have our teapot and the other two really stunning cups. I'm obsessed with them. Oh, let me straighten this. This will probably change as I go. I'm probably going to continue to switch up the layout of this because I don't think I'll just be able to stick to one layout. But this is feeling pretty good for right now. And here it is. Here it is in relation to the room. So it's just in this corner. And that concludes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love the way my cart looks and I'm so happy that I did this project. Honestly, these little projects they're what's keeping me going. Like, I have to have a beautiful space and I just can't not. It makes sense. We spend all our time, like I spend majority of my time in this particular room because I'm constantly working. So this is the perfect vibe. Thank you again for watching. Also, guys, don't forget to check out my video on the new Huda Beauty lip swatches. I have them right here. They are stunning, but if you want to see the details, then go ahead and click right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.